If you've ever loaded up a demanding, high-end title only to watch your frame rate drop or your graphics card sound like a jet engine trying to keep cool, you already know the frustration of pushing hardware to its absolute limit. Upgrading to a powerhouse built on the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture changes how you experience high-end gaming and content creation. And the ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 5080 OC Edition is designed to deliver that performance without breaking a sweat. The main problem it solves is the eternal demand for raw graphical horsepower paired with advanced power efficiency. Driven by 16 gigabytes of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory and the latest generation of RT and Tensor cores, it tears through full ray tracing and neural rendering with ease. It also introduces DLSS 4 with multi-frame generation, which uses AI to multiply your frame rates and deliver buttery smooth responsiveness even in the heaviest AAA games. What makes this specific TUF model stand out is its over-engineered build quality. It features a massive 3.6 slot design backed by an extensive fin array, a large vapor chamber, and triple axial tech fans that keep temperatures impressively low, built with military-grade components and a protective PCB coating. It's designed to handle heavy loads for years while remaining remarkably quiet during everyday tasks thanks to 0 dB technology. Things to consider before you buy. Because of its heavy-duty triple-fan cooler and robust heatsink, this card is physically large, measuring nearly 14 inches long and taking up close to 4 slots. So you'll want to double-check that it actually clears your PC case and doesn't block crucial motherboard components. Additionally, you'll need a robust power supply. ASUS recommends an 850W PSU, equipped with a proper 16-pin 12V-2x6 connector to feed its power demands safely. So who is this really for? This is a home run for the hardcore enthusiast, the high refresh rate competitive gamer, or the professional content creator who needs elite rendering speeds and top-tier AI acceleration. If you're just casually playing lightweight esports titles at 1080p, this card is massive overkill for your setup. Is it worth the money? If you want bleeding-edge performance, next-gen memory speeds, and a rugged industrial build that is built to last through years of punishing gaming sessions, it's a premier investment for your battle station. If this looks like the right fit for your rig, I've left the Amazon link in the description. And if this review helped you out, please hit that like button, share it with a fellow builder, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, no-fluff hardware reviews.